Thanks so much. Well, the debate over making even more restrictive abortion laws in South Carolina has now reached the Senate floor. One local lawmaker putting his foot down, saying the law in place is enough. He tells me he's willing to do whatever he can to keep it that way.
It is absolutely a cruel bill.
State Senator Tom Davis is talking about the so-called Unborn Child Protection Act. It's a bill which passed the Senate Medical Affairs Committee yesterday. It would make abortions illegal the moment the pregnancy is clinically diagnosable, with almost no exceptions.
They want to take away the current exceptions for rape and incest. They want to take away the exception for when the baby is diagnosed as having a fatal fetal anomaly, like it doesn't have a brain or doesn't have vital organs to survive outside the womb.
The bill doesn't stop at just medical limitations, but brings criminal possibilities into play.
It creates a RICO statute that allows prosecution of the mother, the doctor, the nurse, the receptionist that scheduled the appointment.
Under the new proposal, doctors could get fined $100,000 or be sentenced to up to 20 years in prison for helping a patient get an abortion.
Stopping the killing of unborn babies, protecting innocent human life, is the single most important issue I think we face, because it's a moral issue. Either you believe that a human life begins at conception and has legal protection, or should have, or you don't.
One of its biggest supporters, Senator Richard Cash, says the bill goes farther to better protect human life. He wants to return to abortion penalties that were in place before Roe v. Wade, now that it has been revoked.
Should there be a deterrent in the law and a potential criminal penalty for a pregnant woman who willingly has an abortion? Well, I cannot think of a law that we've ever passed where there's no penalty for breaking the law. Because if you're passing a law and there's no penalty for breaking the law, you're not really making a law, you're just offering a suggestion to people.
Davis believes South Carolina's current fetal heartbeat law, which outlaws abortions after 6 weeks but does have exceptions for both rape and medical conditions, is strong enough.
This particular bill treats a woman as if she has no rights. She is nothing but a receptacle for an unborn child. And the idea, I mean, think about it, Andrew, the idea of requiring a teenage girl who's been raped to carry that child to term is ludicrous. I'm going to encourage everybody in South Carolina who believes that women have rights and that this bill is disrespectful of those rights to call their representative, to call their senator, and make clear in no uncertain terms that this bill should not pass and become law in South Carolina.
Now, the bill was passed by the committee 8-4. Davis, the only Republican to vote against it. It now sits on the Senate floor waiting to be debated. Lawmakers have until the end of this legislative session, May 14th, to pass it.